Welcome to another video. I'm so excited that this is here. It is one of the final available limited edition sound burgers from Audio Technica. I'd seen a Techmoan video. I'm a patron of his and I got early access to one of his videos that said that they were releasing a special edition of the 40-year-old sound burger. I think it was the 40-year-old sound burger. And I looked at the website and I thought, oh, I wouldn't mind playing some of my old records, vinyl as they call them nowadays. I'll sleep on it because it was fairly expensive and I didn't really need it, but I wanted it. And I slept on it and decided to buy it the following day, but they'd sold out. So I contacted them and I said, are you getting any more in stock? And they said, no, we're not. That's it. It's a limited edition, but oh, there you go, 60th anniversary. They said it's a limited edition, but we do have some in another location in another country, and we're going to get them shipped, and we'll put your name down on the reserve list for them. So let me put the box down. So I did, and that was months ago, and funnily enough, I went on eBay and I thought, oh, I can't wait for this sound burger to come in. I'm going to buy a cheap old turntable so I can listen to some records. And I did that on Sunday and I haven't picked it up. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow, being Friday. And then the email came through on Tuesday for this. So we've finally got them in. And they gave me a chance to purchase it. So I don't know how many there are of these. I don't know whether that number there is anything to do with it. I'll link to Techmoan's unboxing. There was another unboxing, but I can't remember which YouTuber it was that I follow. But I'll link to that in the description box, and you can go and watch Techmoan's video about it, which goes into all of the details of this particular device. And there's no point in me going over those again. There's nothing else on the box, but I was so excited for this to come. The guy who delivered it today, he rang the doorbell and I ran down and he said, got a parcel for you. I said, oh thanks, I'm so excited about this. And he said, that's not the response we normally get for these deliveries. Normally people are grumpy, I suppose. Look at that. So it's the 60th anniversary of the sound burger. I'm not going to explain the history. You can watch Techmoan's video for that. Quick start guide. I'm probably not even going to set it all up on video, but it's not very difficult. Oh my god, I actually think I prefer the yellow one, but I'm not complaining, because I have wanted one of these for a long time. When, you know, before they brought out the new ones, I would have liked a vintage one, but they were so expensive used on eBay and probably in need of repair that I didn't bother. Look at that. Okay, let's look at the limited edition sticker. Well, I have the 131st one of 7,000. So they did 7,000 on the limited edition. I've got number 131, which coincidentally was my father's house number, who died last year. So that's nice. Yeah, excellent. So let's peel it off. I don't know what I'm doing here really. Haven't used a turntable or a record player as they were correctly known. I don't know, 20 years maybe. Alright, there's a thumb screw here which is for transportation. Now since these unboxings have been done much better than I could possibly do it by other YouTubers, you can watch those. There'll be a couple, one or two, in the description box. But once I've opened this up and had a quick look at it, I'm going to allow myself... Is that a catch there? Oh yeah, look, it says open. I'm going to allow myself the pleasure of setting this up and playing it for the first time off camera. So that's it. I'll be picking up the other turntable that I now don't need tomorrow. So there'll be another video probably a week after this one talking about my travels picking up used turntables. So thanks for watching. One of the most eagerly awaited videos for me, or purchases for me, and only about 6 minutes into the video. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.